Hello and welcome to our channel. If you're a proud owner of a LG Smart TV, then you know how important it is to have a quality remote control. Today, we're here to talk about the replacement for LG Magic Remote Control MR21GA with pointer voice function, and why it's the perfect choice for your LG Smart TV. This remote control is designed to work with a wide range of LG TV series, including OLED, QNED, NanoCell, and UHD TVs. With its accurate control and fast response, you can enjoy seamless navigation and easy access to all your favorite TV functions. The new upgraded Smart Chip ensures stable performance and over 30 feet of transmitting distance, so you can control your TV from anywhere in the room. Pairing this remote is a breeze. Simply insert two *AA batteries, point the remote toward the TV, and press the wheel, OK. The remote control will be automatically registered, and you'll be ready to go in no time. Plus, the remote is made of high-quality ABS plastic and silicone, making it comfortable, durable, and long-lasting. And the best part? We offer a warranty on this remote control, so you can purchase with confidence. If you have any questions or concerns about your order, our friendly customer service team is here to help. So if you're looking for a reliable, high-quality replacement remote control for your LG Smart TV, look no further. Click the link in the description to get your hands on the replacement for LG Magic Remote Control MR21GA today. Don't settle for a subpar remote, upgrade to the best and take your TV experience to the next level. And while you're at it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, reviews, and recommendations. Thanks for watching.